Welcome to Mobile Application Tutorials. My name's Nigel, and here we have my lovely wife, June. And this is a special episode of Wife Learns Android. This is going to be a test. We're just going to be setting a little test for June, just to go over everything that she's learned so far. And it'll be a good chance for us, or for me, to see what June understands clearly and what she doesn't. So probably every month or so, sometime like that, we'll do one of these sort of tests. I was going to make this live, but due to a few technical difficulties, this is a pre-recorded tutorial. My future intention is to make these tests live, so hopefully we'll be able to get that working in the future. What we will be doing is June's going to be downloading the test code from GitHub, and so I'll make that available to everyone. So if they want to follow along this test at a later stage, you'll be able to do that. Okay, June, are you ready to make a start?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, right. The questions are going to be on my screen. You're going to be doing the work on your computer.
Okay.
Okay, so the first question is, use the supplied command to install the test from GitHub. Okay, I'll explain how to do that. If you just want to copy and paste this location here, it's an address on GitHub, okay?
Yeah.
Now if you go to your Android Studio,
Yeah.
and click on Check Out Project from Version Control.
Yeah.
And press Git.
Yeah.
You didn't press Git.
Yeah.
Cancel that.
Yeah.
And click Check Out and press Git.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one there. Okay. Can you copy in the top line there? Can you paste in the address I gave you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so your Android projects are in this location. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I have to make subfolder? Or?
No.
No.
This directory will be like your subfolder and
yeah,
like
that's
that.
fine then.
Okay, so this directory, right, it's going to be Wife Learns Android Test.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep that name for the directory name?
Just make it short, Wife Learns.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make test 1.
Okay. Test.
Append test 1. Oh. Test 1. Because
Test
we're going to have many
yeah.
tests.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you click clone, June,
Yeah.
you're going to be getting a copy of the code on the GitHub repository and putting it into here.
Yeah.
And this code's actually a project.
I see.
So this is a project where you can build and run Android applications.
Yeah.
So you can click clone now.
Yeah.
Select yes.
Yeah.
So it's basically saying it's a project. Select add root. We might as well add this to version control so you can update future tests from it. This is going to be in your version control. Okay, so currently we're just building down below, we're just building the test here. Just wait for Gradle to finish. And you'll have a live active. I might as well select yes for this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Right. If you want to click on project to the left side of the page.
Yeah.
You've now got an active Android project here.
Yeah.
First thing I want you to do, June,
Yeah.
is this was the first part of the test, so you actually passed one of the questions.
Alright. Yeah.
Even though I prompted you. Now, can you run the application to see if it works?
Okay.
Basically, I just want you to run the application on the device here.
Okay. I just open first. Okay. Wow.
Yeah. So the question here.
Creation to testing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the way. Yeah. Application installation failed.
Okay. What this means, June, is I've already run the application on my machine.
Yeah.
So click OK to uninstall it.
Yeah.
Basically, it's not a problem. We already had the application on the machine from my computer. So we just need to install the application from June's computer. So panic over for that one. Okay, try running again, June.
Yeah.
Basically, it should have uninstalled the application now. You won't experience this problem, users. It's just that June and I are sharing the same phone.
Yep.
And can you just press record the screen?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one? Yeah.
Yep. And start recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what the test looks like. But you're going to be making modifications to the code.
Yeah.
It's done along something that you might be familiar with anyway, but the purpose of this test is manipulating views, loading views, changing the contents of views. So this is the test that June's going to be working on, and you can work on yourselves if you want as well. Okay, June, if you want to stop the recording. Okay, that's fine now. So we've proved, after a little hiccup, that the test will run. Okay, June, if you just want to close the bottom pane. Okay, so we've now done that question. Passed again, you're doing well. Okay, I want you to identify these files in the project. The Android manifest?
Yeah.
Can you show me where that file is?
And under manifests.
Correct,
Here.
that's right. The main activity?
Yeah, main activity is here.
Yep, wow. The corresponding layout file for the main activity. So basically the layout file that belongs to this activity.
XML? No. Layout? I think this one?
Yes. You could have lots, but
Yeah.
you're okay. You only had one there, so that's fine.
Yeah.
And the strings.xml file.
Yeah. Strings.
Great. Okay, that's great. On to the next question here.
Yeah.
How would you find out which layout file is associated with a particular activity? Or how do you know which layout file belongs to which activity?
How?
Yeah.
It's all inside this app folder.
So somewhere in code, you've actually got somewhere where it specifies the name of your layout file.
Okay. This one, main activity. Or package here.
I'll give you a few more seconds.
Yeah.
It's okay if you can't answer it. We'll go over it at the follow-on.
Sorry, I don't really get your question.
Okay.
I find out is
each activity
is
associated or connected with a layout file.
Yeah, so I thought the main activity.
So but there will be one line of code that actually specifies which layout belongs to the activity.
Yeah. So main activity main.
That's right. We're going to move on.
Yeah.
Okay, to the next question.
Yeah.
How many members exist in the main activity?
It's an XML, so no XML. Members should be here, so 3?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. So it's inside the main activity.
Yeah.
Is what I wanted. Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
How many methods exist inside the main activity?
Activity, so method could be onCreate method first.
Yep.
And this one.
Yep.
So 2 and 3
Yep.
and 4 and 5.
Correct. Good. Okay, inside the main activity, can you identify the Onclick methods? The IDs for the Onclick methods are button 1 and button 2.
Sorry.
So basically you've got two Onclick methods.
Yeah.
You know, like button clicks? You've got two Onclick. Can you identify them?
One of them is this one.
Yeah.
Onclick method. And another one is this one.
Okay, you found that. How did you work that out?
Oh, because this has view class.
Okay, yeah. Okay, there's a
Yeah.
certain reasoning. How else would you work out where the onclick? What are
If
the?
you see the XML file,
Yeah.
which is specified in, what's specified in XML file, and you see this view, and you see this, and then see the button,
Yeah.
and here.
Exactly.
Find the click.
And for the other button?
And me too.
Great. Okay, so that's the normal method of how you'll find that.
Yeah.
So that's good. Okay, you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, in the XML file, can you change the text of the text view?
Sorry, can you speak slower?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's also written there.
Yeah.
In the XML file,
Yeah.
can you change the text
Yeah.
of the text view
Yeah.
to the string June text view? So I want you to change the text in the text view.
Text view. The text of the text view to
Yeah.
the string. Okay.
In XML.
Yeah. Text of the text view. So text.
Yeah.
Have to specify in string XML, right? June text view. Oh, it's already here. June text view.
So
This one.
it's the
String.
yeah.
And then I change. Ask it automatically change the June text view. At string.
June text view. Okay, can you go back to? Looks like I got a bug in my test. Can you go back to the strings.xml?
Yeah.
Can you change that to June text view?
Yeah. Oh, same as this one. June text.
Yeah. No. You don't need to change XML. Only inside your layout XML.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But it will have bug, isn't it?
No, it's not a bug. It was just my names are too. There was no bug. It's just
Okay.
my names are too similar.
Okay.
Can you save that
Yeah.
and check there's no errors? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted you to do.
Okay. But didn't find here in test.
There it is.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
So if you save that, it
Yeah.
should be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is an example that you
Yeah.
could change the
Yeah.
text view text
Yeah.
inside a text view.
Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah.
Now, can you change the text of the text view inside the activity
Inside activity.
using the member new title?
Okay.
So some of the code's already been written for you.
Okay. I think okay, new title. It's already here. I tried to make string, but it's already new title.
Yes. So some of the code's already been created for you, June.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So the text view and the string's already been created for you. You just have to change the contents inside your text view. The text contents.
Okay. So any name or
Using the using the member string new title. So you've got a string here called new title.
Yeah.
So just put that text into your text view.
okay in here.
Yes, that will be the place where I put
Also,
it.
don't change the name.
No.
This name.
The members
Okay.
can stay as they are.
Okay. Yeah.
The members have already been created for you.
Okay. So what's the question?
You need to change the contents inside the text view.
Text view.
So at the moment, what does the text view say? The contents are set inside your XML, aren't they?
Yeah. So change in activity, right?
Yes.
New title.
So first of all, what's the name of your text view member?
You mean string?
No, what's the name of the text view?
Title text view.
That's correct.
Yeah. It's already title text view.
Yes,
here.
but you need to change the contents inside that text view.
Contents.
Yeah, so at the moment,
Yeah.
go back to your XML.
Yeah.
your text is loaded with June TextView, isn't it?
Is that text? Yeah.
Yeah, if you go to strings, what does that say? Go to your strings.xml.
Yeah, June TextView.
No, but what does that actually say? June TextView.
June's test.
June's test.
Yeah.
So now we want to change June's test to something else.
Okay. To something else.
Yes, inside your activity.
Inside the activity.
Yes, inside your activity. So we want to change it to June's test part 1.
New title. New title. No, I don't have to. Title text view. What was that? New title. No, I don't think so.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question.
ちょっと待って。title text view. I remember soon, but I need time. Text view. New title. String. So I need a new title somewhere.
I think we better move on, June. We've just got a few more questions to look at.
Okay, can I do later?
You can, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think someone
Okay, next.
something in here, but I forgot.
Yeah, you've. Okay, inside the find click method, can you
inside
the find click
find
method?
that click. Yeah.
Yep, method.
Yeah.
Change the toast text to Nige button press.
Inside the
Find the
the
click method.
find the click method. Oh, here.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what I suggest, June, is you make a copy of this line and make a new line. Make a copy of this line.
Of this line, yeah.
Yeah. Put it down underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, paste.
Yeah.
Now comment out the top line. You can use it as a reference.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So at the moment, this toast text, if you go to the string.xml.
String here. Yeah.
Can you see if there's a Nige button press?
Nige button press. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want that to show up in your toast. So if you go back to your activity.
Nige button press activity. Yeah.
So if we go back to your main activity.
Yeah.
So basically, do you understand? We just want you to replace the text in there. At the moment, it's saying that we want you to replace.
I understand the last question. You have to use this. Anyway.
Okay, so can you just do this question?
Sorry.
So I want you to replace the text inside the toast.
Okay, Nige button press.
Yeah.
And use this or?
Yeah.
Sorry, Nige. Hello, Nige. Nige button press. I have to make a member, I think.
No, you don't. You can just do the same as what's in the line above.
Okay.
Use this as an example.
ちょっと待って。Nige. Sorry, I missed. Nige button press. Nige button press. Nige button press. Yeah.
Can you save that? Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I want you to do for that.
Yeah.
So you found the Onclick method good, and you worked out how to change the text inside the toast. Right.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, next question. Can you create a member for edit text?
Oh, member or edit text.
Yeah.
Edit the text.
You can call it whatever name you want.
Okay, order to enter. And form edit
Great.
view.
Yep, that's fine.
Yep.
Okay, next question.
Yep.
Okay, so basically what I want you to do is put the, you've got the form edit text. I want you to get the value from, I want you to get this edit text here.
Yeah.
And put it into this member.
Okay, probably make string.
Now, just before you go ahead, June,
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to correct you, but there is example code you can use to already in there to give you clues.
Okay. Form edit view. And what's the name?
You've already got an error there.
Oh yeah, sorry. This one.
Remember, you can't have two members of the same name.
Ah, form edit view. Ah, okay. So you can't use two in here, but you can use in there.
And June, if in this test,
Yeah.
I would tell you if you needed to make a new member. That would be part of the test. I haven't told you to make a string. So you've done this. That was the question. So you only needed to correct.
But I tried to do that. I so that I need a string
Why do you need string?
because edit text.
No, that's an edit text. That's not a string.
Create a member
You've just done that.
for the edit text. Yeah, yeah.
You've done, so now you just need to get the value.
Or value doesn't need
Basically,
string.
no, could be anything. The value is it actually happens to be this edit text.
Okay.
So we want to put this edit text into your member. Nothing to do with strings.
Oh, okay.
So this edit text here represents. Okay, let's wait for this. This edit text here represents this view here.
Yeah.
So we want to put that into. Where's your main activity? We want to put that into this member.
Member.
Yeah.
Are they members, right? Member.
Yes.
So
Just like we did with the button.
button.
Yeah. I had to do the same thing for the button.
But we can't do the same thing.
Okay, we're going to have to move on to the next question.
No, wait. The text. ボタン。ちょっと待って、ボタン。That's button? This could be button. But no, not on create. Oh no, it's a press here. So, oh no. Sorry, I read the question. It's a bit difficult for me.
So, you create edit text, and this question's follow on.
Yeah.
Basically, with the form ID of edit text from the XML file, assign it to your member inside the...
sorry, I missed the word of ID.
Yeah. So basically, we want, inside your onCreate function, we want you to assign the value of edit text.
Understand. I didn't get to the question, but now I understand.
Okay.
Probably, I think, edit text and not edit text. Form edit view. Edit text.
Looking good.
Find view by ID.
Very good.
ID dot.
And then here's the name of the ID.
Oh yeah, I think it's from XML.
Yeah, I've got the name here for you, so you can just use the name on the question.
Oh, form edit text.
Or you can do it that way.
Yeah, form edit text.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, that's great.
Sorry, ID, I thought it's uppercase. So I didn't know. I didn't get it.
Okay,
Yeah.
yep. Good enough point. Yep. Yep.
Mm.
Okay. Do you understand that question
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
Okay,
I missed the word of ID.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try and rephrase it next time.
Yeah.
Now, can you use the text value from your edit text member? So this edit text member form,
yeah.
can you use the text
Mm-hmm.
and use it to change the text of the button to member
Mm-hmm.
inside the Onclick method and me too?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is a bit convoluted. So if you go to and me too
Mhm.
method
Mm-hmm. This one?
at the bottom, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's the second button press.
Yeah.
What we want you to do is to change the text of
Mhm.
button 2
Yeah.
to what's ever in the form. So there's two steps here. One's going to be getting the text from your edit text, and the second step is with that text putting it into your button 2.
Okay, I think the set text first from edit text.
Or get text actually.
Get text.
You have to get the text.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got your member now. You've got form ID has your value.
Yeah.
So you can use that to get the text.
But here I haven't put in something yet.
It doesn't matter. You've done it in your on create.
On create. On create. Yeah.
So all the code just needs to go into and me too method. So you don't need to change anything else. You only need to add some code into the and me too method.
Okay. So I have to put something here.
Yeah.
The class.
Well, actually, June, there's a
Yeah.
clue there.
Yeah.
See that commented out text?
Yeah.
That's probably the second part of the clue.
Okay. So button 2. This class isn't it? Class. Button 2.
But first of all, you need to get the text.
Yeah. So form edit view. Form edit view class set text and
Why are you trying to set text to a form? Don't you want to get text from a form?
Yeah, but I thought you have to display.
That's only set hint, and that's already been done.
Okay. Get text. Yeah. And I have to get text from edit text.
Yeah.
So
Which is what you've just written, yeah.
form edit view. Looks different. Get text.
If you're unsure about the function call, you can always go to Google and check to see how that method's
Get
used.
text was blank.
Or you can double check that with Google. You're allowed to use Google. Yeah.
Okay. Android.
No, yeah. Go back.
Edit text.
Yeah, no, you've done the wrong search. Go back into there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Command F.
Oh, it's blank.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how you're supposed to use it.
Okay, so I don't have to put anything.
Okay, so one's get text. Then can you set that text into your button?
I think inside the home edit view.
Why are you doing that when you just saw that nothing goes inside there?
But I think you have to set bracket, so maybe like this. Set the text
What are you trying to do, June?
I want to connect.
You don't have to connect on one line. You can uncomment the code below to set the text on your button.
Can you just make a space like that? Or
Yeah, but that's not going to do anything.
How about dot?
What are you trying to do?
Try to do that.
Well, tell me in words in your mind what you think you're trying to do.
I have to read and change the text of the button to member.
Basically, it says there's 2 steps here. Get the text from the edit text.
Yeah, I did that.
And put that into your button.
Yeah. Put into the button.
Yeah.
Not toasted in place.
Well, you've got the code's actually here to help you out.
Yeah.
Of how to set text on a button.
Yeah, I know set text, but I don't know how to connect with this. I thought the last time you put in a bracket. Not this one, but set inside the set the text bracket.
So I'm not going to give you the answer here.
So I don't know, I just set text.
I'll give you another minute or two, and we'll have to complete this test.
Yeah. Set text. And edit text. So home edit view. I have to check Google set text.
We'll close this test in 3 minutes.
But I have to check on Google.
Okay, June, we're going to have to complete this test now.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
We've run out of time. I'll give you 1 more minute.
Set the text. Is that correct one? This one.
Sorry, June, this is a test. The examiner can't give you the answer.
Yeah, but I'm not
I'll just give you the test.
I just looked up.
Okay, let's conclude the test now.
It's almost there.
No,
so
it's not.
Wait.
I'm afraid. It's not. Can you comment out that line there?
This one?
Yep.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, and save that.
For me. Yeah.
That's all right. That's fine.
Yeah.
Can you save that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Have you got any bugs in your code?
Yeah. What was the bug?
No, you've commented it out.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think there's a bug because there's no red.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
I have to set something.
No. Okay. Okay, June.
Yeah.
Can you run the code to see if it works?
No, it's not working.
Let's just press run. Okay. Okay. So the first part, June's test, that's correct. And okay, do you want to press button 1? Okay, sorry, let's record first. Can you record on the green button there? So just so you can see what June's got working from her test, this is what you've got. June's test is correct. You changed the code, so that worked. Good. Okay, the second one is press button 1. Can you press button 1? Hello, Nige. That's correct. You changed the text inside there. So that was correct. Okay, the last part of it obviously doesn't work. You weren't too sure. So we'll go...
I was sure, but I need more time.
That's fine. The test is now completed.
Yeah.
So if you can just stop recording there. Okay, so that completes the test. We only had a certain amount of time, so I'm sure you could have done it if you had an extra half an hour, but fortunately these videos take time for me to edit, so that concludes it. The follow-on tutorial to this, June, is I will go over this with you and I'll spend a bit more time in that last question.
Okay,
I know you know how to do it, but under tests or having a big boss standing over you, do that code now. It's a stressful environment.
I need time, but
But in a test environment, as you know, all tests you only have a certain amount of time.
I need more time to practice.
But I'm sure once we go over it, you'll think, oh yeah, that's exactly how I did it. I did leave the last questions the trickiest as well. So you got most of it, and you've got a good understanding of it. And as soon as I go over that last part, you'll go, oh yes, that's how I'm supposed to do that. So, and we'll keep these tests going there, and I think you'll get a feeling of the preparation you need to do for a test in advance.
I did preparation yesterday and this morning too, but still difficult.
Okay, but you'll soon pick up the pattern. So, so you did actually quite well. You answered most of the questions correctly. Just on the hardest part of the test, it became a bit tricky, but that's okay. Okay, so thank you very much. You've done very well on this test. So next tutorial we'll go over the test. And anyone else who wants to do this test, it's live on GitHub. You can just follow the same process as June did. And next Friday we'll go through the answers on the test as well. Okay, that's all for this one. And if you enjoy all my tutorials, there's different formats of tutorials. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And it's bye from Nigel.
Bye.
And bye from June.